Okay, let's discuss about some prepositional phrases. You have to remember the preposition phrases and the meaning. Let's discuss for the benefit, for the advancement, for a reason, for the cause. For a chance means get opportunity. For certain means without any doubt. For fear means in risks. For good means forever. For granted means properly appreciate. For granted. For hire to purchase. For the lack of scarcity. For life means living. For love means affection. For my means for my means opinion. For the sake of, for the reason of, for the benefit of, for the sake of, for want of, the interested, desire, without doubt, no doubt at all. Without a break, it is continuous. Without a hitch means to get on plan. Without delay means properly response in time. Without exception means absolutely clear. Without foundation means base. Without base, without presidents means precedent means ruling. Without question means no doubt at all. Without warning means not necessary to suggest. Without care means without look after. Without interest means without hesitate. Interested, not wanted. Without wanted. Without invest means not investigate. No, not invest. Without perfection means not capable. Without capacity. Without perfection means without capacity. Under the circumstances means due to the periphery. Without circumstances means due to the periphery. Without circumstances due to the periphery. Under the edge means below edge. Under the arrest means arrest or control. Under consideration, under consideration, under consideration. Let's see, under consideration. Under consideration means being without any doubt. Being without any doubt. Or under consideration means being without any doubt. Under construction means not complete in construction. Under lock and key. Lock and key means securely locked up. Under orders means due with the command, within the command or under the orders. Under pressure means someone or something that means to push up under pressure. Under regulation means within the rules and regulation. Under repair means not complete in repair. Under suspicion means suspect means involvement in crime. And under command means within the for the command or for the control. Under treatment means going on treatment, not complete in treatment. To the contrary means opposite. To an extent means existence. To an extent means existence. To the date one till the present. Until the present, to excess means to merge. To the best of means among the best. To the detriment of means harm or damage. To the detriment of means harm or damage. To the exclusion of means not inclusion. To the full of means almost full. I mean to the exclusion of means except is not a inclusion means to the satisfaction of means properly neutralized, that means to one's credit means benefit. These are the words, these are the prepositional words, so we should remember the meaning and the proper use. If we practice these prepositional phrases, it is easy to write in English language and spoken as well as spoken. It is very easy in writing and spoken as well. So we have to practice time to time and we have to know the meaning of this prepositional phrase for, without, under and to. Alright.